Hi, and welcome back as we continue to work on my 1989 Toyota pickup. We last left off deciding to pull the engine block out of the truck and work on it on an engine stand. So in this episode, we pull the engine out of the engine bay and get it onto a stand, prepped and ready to start reassembly. I borrowed the engine hoist and engine stand from a friend. The first thing I had to do was remove a couple of the last accessories that were still connected to the engine block and then disconnect it from the transmission. To do that, I had to jack up the transmission with a jack stand, which I don't have shown. And once I got the engine out, I had to hang the transmission from a ratchet strap because there were no more mounts holding the front end up. It took a little bit more than I originally thought it would take to get out, but I eventually got it out. Didn't even have to take off the hood since I still need to leave the hood on when it's parked outside on my driveway. But I got it out safely onto a stand, and I'm ready to take it all the way down to the block and get it cleaned up. Now that the engine is on the stand and I've removed all the components, the next thing I did was prepare the block for sandblasting. To do that, I rinsed the entire block off with degreaser and then used painter's tape to cover all of the important surfaces. This part of the video is a few minutes long. In real life, it took me a couple hours. I did speed up the video 10 times the normal speed and cut out all the parts where I wasn't actually taping or cutting. If you would like to see the entire process, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If not, I've posted a timestamp when I am done with this process and moved on to sandblasting and painting. Now that the sandblasting is done, the last thing to do is to protect it. I just went with the normal run-of-the-mill black high temperature engine block paint. I ended up putting about 4 layers of paint on it, primarily because I had to shoot from different angles and I kept missing spots, so I had to make sure that those spots were covered. And it took about 4 layers to get all that done. So that is where I'm going to end this video. We got the engine out of the truck, we got it cleaned, we got it prepared for paint, we got it painted, and I can officially say that we are now ready to start building the engine back up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am very happy that we are no longer taking things apart and cleaning them. In the next video, we can start putting things back together. If you would like to get updates of when I release videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button and something about a fucking bell. If you would like to get updates of when I release videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button and check the bell. Can't believe I just said that. Anyways, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.